Okay students, this is exercise 4.2 from chapter 4, linear equations into variables, and we will do question number 2 now. Our question number 2 is find 4 solutions for each of the following equations. Okay, we have 3 linear equations here, and for these 3 linear equations we have to find the solutions. Now how many solutions we have to find here? 4 solutions, and solutions means the values of variables. And in the first linear equation, 2x plus y is equal to 7. So in this linear equation there are 2 variables x and y. We have to find the values of these 2 variables, and the values of these 2 variables are called solutions, and we have to find 4 solutions. So let me make a table here so that it would be easier for us to write down the values of x and y, x, y. Okay, in order to find the solutions of the linear equation, we have to assume the value of one of the variables. So it's up to you whether you want to assume the value of x or y. If you want to assume the value of x, you can assume the value of x, then you will get the value for y. Or if you want to assume the value for y, you will get the value for x. But please keep in mind that we cannot assume for both the variables. We have to assume the value for one of the variable only. So this is your equation, 2x plus y is equal to 7. So let me assume the value of x in this equation. Okay, so if I let x as 0, if I assume the value of x as 0, this equation will become 2x plus y is equal to 7. Okay, now 2 we have to write it as it is. In place of x, we are assuming the value of x is 0, so replace this x by 0. So plus y is equal to 7. Now 2 times 0 is obviously 0, and 0 plus y is y only. Like see, 0 plus 2, it's 2, no? So 0 plus y is also y. So y is equal to 7. So now see, when we assume the value of x as 0, we got y 7. So this is the one solution for this linear equation. We have to find 3 more solutions. Now let's find the second solution. For second solution also we have to assume the value of one of the variable. So let me assume the value of x here. If x is equal to 1, 2x plus y is equal to 7. We have to write the same linear equation because we are finding the solutions for this linear equation only. So I have written the linear equation here, 2 in place of x, write 1 plus y is equal to 7. So 2 times 1 is 2 plus y is equal to 7. I think you all are clear about this x and y. These 2 are variables and we are finding the values of x and y. We assume the value of x. Now we need the value of y. So we cannot keep the number with y, right? That is why let's take the number with y to the right hand side. Now 7 is already in the right hand side, so we must write 7 first. Then we have to take this 2 to the right hand side. Now plus 2, when we write it in the right hand side, it becomes minus 2. Now 7 minus 2 is 5. So when we assume the value of x as 1, we got y 5. Okay, we got 2 solutions. Now we have to find 2 more solutions. Okay, let x is equal to, let's take negative values also. X is equal to minus 1. Okay, same linear equation you have to write. 2 in place of x, replace with minus 1. Now 2 times 1 is 2, plus minus is minus. Now plus y is equal to 0. As I already told you, we cannot keep any number with x, so we have to take minus 2 to the right hand side. Now this becomes y is equal to 7. Minus 2, when we take it to the right hand side, it becomes plus 2. So y is equal to 7 plus 2 is 9. So when we assumed the value of x as minus 1, we got y 9. Okay, now we need one more solution. Let us assume x to be 3. Okay, Now your linear equation is 2x plus y is equal to 7. Write 2 as it is. In place of x, replace with 3 plus y is equal to 7. Now 2 times 3, it's obviously 6 plus y is equal to 7. Now same thing. Write only y in the left hand side and take 6 to the right hand side. This becomes minus 6 because it was positive here. And we changed the sides, that's why it is minus 6. Now y is equal to 7 minus 6 is 1. So when we assumed the value of x as 3, we got y 1. So class, this is how we find the solutions of the given linear equation by assuming one of the value. Okay, so for question number 2, this was for the first question, and now we have to solve 2 more questions. Okay, let's solve the second one. And our second linear equation is this one. Okay, second linear equation, pi x plus y is equal to 9. We have to follow the same method. So I will draw a table here which consists of 5 columns. First row are for the values of x and second row is for the values of y. Okay, now this is your equation, pi x plus y is equal to 9. Let's assume the value of x here. Okay, let x is equal to 0. If x is equal to 0, then this equation will become pi, in place of x write 0 plus y is equal to 9. So when you multiply any number with 0, obviously answer is 0. So 0 plus y is y. So y is equal to 9. Okay, so we got the first solution. When x is 0, y is 9. Now let x is equal to 1. I'll write the same equation again. Pi x plus y is equal to 9. So in place of x, replace with 1 plus y is equal to 9. This is like 2 times 1 is 2, 3 times 1 is 3, 4 times 1 is 4. So pi times 1 is pi plus y is equal to 0. This we have already discussed in the previous question, that we cannot keep number with y. So let us take pi to the right hand side. So this plus pi becomes minus pi. So when we assumed the value of x as 1, pi is 9, value of y is 9 minus pi. Okay, now we need to find 2 more solutions. Let x is equal to 2. Now this is your equation, pi x plus y is equal to 9. So pi, in place of x, replace with 2 plus y is equal to 9. Now okay, so when you solve 2 times x, you will write 2x, right? 4 times y, this will be 4y. Similarly, 2 times pi will be 2 pi plus y is equal to 9. Okay, now let's write only y in the left hand side. This becomes 9 plus 2 pi will change into minus 2 pi. So when your x is 2, y is 9 minus 2 pi. Okay, now we have to find one more solution. Let x is equal to, let's take negative value, okay, minus 3. Let's take minus 3. Now this is pi x plus y is equal to 9. So this is pi, in place of x, right, minus 3 plus y is equal to 9. So this is same as this one, okay. Like 2 times pi is 2 pi, so 3 times pi is 3 pi. But in this case, we have minus here and this is positive plus. So plus minus is minus. Plus y is equal to 9. Now let's write only y is equal to 9 already in the right hand side. We have to take minus 3 pi to the right hand side. So this becomes, minus 3 pi becomes plus 3 pi. Okay, so when we assumed the value of x as minus 3, the value of y is 9 plus 3 pi. So for second linear equation also we have got 4 solutions. Now last linear equation is left. Now let's find the solutions for this linear equation also. Okay. Okay, last one. And our last linear equation is x is equal to 4y. Same method, make a table, make 2 rows. Okay, first row is for x and second row is for y. Okay, your equation is x is equal to 4y. Let, okay, so in first and second linear equations we have assumed the values of x. Now in the third linear equation, let us assume the value of y. Let y is equal to 0. Now x is equal to 4y. So 4y means 4 into 0 gives you 0. So when your x is, yes, when your y is 0, x is also 0. Now second value, let y is equal to 1. Now x is equal to 4y. So this becomes 4 into y gives you 4. So when your y is 1, x is 4. Now let y is equal to 2, x is equal to 4y. So which gives us 4 times 2, which is 8. So when y is 2, x is 8. Okay, now we have to find one more solution. Let y is equal to minus 3. Okay, let y is equal to minus 3. Now write down the equation. X is equal to 4y. Now let's put the value of y here, which is minus 3. So this is 4 times 3 is 12 and plus minus is minus. So when y is minus 3, x is minus 12. So students, these are the 4 solutions for x and y for this linear equations. So whenever you are asked to find the solutions, you have to follow this method to find the solutions of the linear equations. Thank you.